I just got three things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your
blooding the Lord on TV screen. The people are free to defend themselves against F-15s. They won't stand a chance taking up arms against God's chosen men. That gave you rights, now you'll pay for the search of freedom fighting. Freedom fighting. Freedom fighting. Freedom fighting. So they felt when my drugged up dogs took on their scent. A family of four, a mom and her boys against the main door. Still they had to see a new day with each other again. Our man's best friend has an acquired taste for the flesh of genuine decent people. That can be counted for a supreme now bone-made mountains. You're down on your knees by the sound of gunshots, snuff out your pleas. Fireworks of dread, like the sky as man once said. I give you a choice and I will die in the search of freedom fighting.